Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are seeing an error message that says this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store when trying to make a purchase or download an free app, it usually means that you need to accept the updated terms and conditions for the iTunes store. So if you're getting this error while downloading the free apps, then let me show you how you can fix it. So before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So first of all, you will get this review button, simply click on it. Then you will be on this page. On this page you have to select your country and you have to accept the terms and conditions. So once you've done this, simply click on next, and then you will get this page. So you don't have to select your credit card, PayPal or any. You can simply click on none and you can enter your billing address. You can enter the fake one, it doesn't matter. Right, so once you've done this, then you have to also enter the zip code. You can look up on Google by your city or state name. Then you have to enter the phone number, then click on next. So once it's done, as you can see, you will get this Apple ID completed. Simply click on continue, and then now try to download any app to see if you get this error or not. So here we go. Now as you can see, without getting any this Apple ID has not yet been error. The app is downloading. Now you can make purchases. Now you can download any free apps from the app store. You won't get that error again. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.